Thank you. What's this one?
Hi, my name is Miss Kim, and today I would like to be your president. Why?
What the fuck is he doing back there?
But today is. I'd like to be your president to make sure that you are in the present with me, your president. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you.
Well.
Ramaswamy out.
OTK wings. Oh shit. Oh shit! Soda, no!
That's crazy.
Oh god.
Uh-oh. Why am I driving the plane?
Ah, jeez, I've never flown a plane before.
Ah, fuck.
Is this real?
Fuck do people even do with their hands when they're flying a plane? I don't know.
Oh shit, the mic's on!
Hey guys, this is your captain speaking.
Chat, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Like, I've never done this shit before.
Come on, what's going on? Give me the mama loot. Shout out to me. Come on, I'm broke. What's going on? I'm broke. Give me some money.
I love that effect. That was so good.
How does a gun work when you shoot? Does it blow black like?
Soda, no! What have you done?
Found it and got to power.
No! On his birthday!
Where'd all the fruit?
Dang, we're doing such a good job.
What is that bullshit?
What is that?
That? I don't like that. That thing, not good. That thing, really bad. That thing right there.
What is that thing? Oh, this is a good flight movie.
Keeps the shower away.
You can do this. You can win. You're incredible. You're powerful. You can do this. Yes, yes, yes.
The hair fix.
You feel incredible.
Oh god, where are you going? Oh shit, the plane's going down. Soda, no! He's freezing.
Okay. Yeah, it's fucking cold in here.
I'm having such a good time up there in the cockpit.
312, you're flying in a restricted flight zone. Turn around now.
I fucking hate you. I hate your guts. I hate your family. I hate your dog. I hate what you stand for. I wouldn't care if you got run over by a train tonight. I don't care. I fucking hate you.
I'm sorry. Carry on.
He's out.
Hey, we're in the restricted zone.
Jeez, whoa, it's hot here.
Yo.
The fuck is that?
Meow.
Guys, look in the back. We're on fire, and we're losing altitude.
I'm taking a little nap.
We're done for.
Yep.
No.
Don't lose it.
No.
It's gonna be okay.
No.
We're almost there.
No.
Wow.
Well, no!
You shall not pass.
We gotta handle this.
Is it still giggling?
We don't get the fuck out of here now.
The penguin! Soda! He's killing penguins!
Barricade it now. Oh, I'm out. We're fucked.
I love that one. Wait, that one was so good. That might be my favorite one so far. That was sick.